We'll run 5 matches back to back to back to back to back, and then take another break before our final set of 5 matches later this evening, starting at 5:10. So, I'm going to give you a little background about the program, what we're doing, what the teams are doing, and tell you about the game, and then we'll get underway while they're finishing setting up here. We are again the Collegiate Aerial Robotics Demonstration. This is the first time we've ever done this anywhere. We have 10 college teams from around the country. They come from Washington, from Florida, from the East Coast in New York, and all around the Midwest in Minnesota and Illinois. They started this on December 4th. They were given nothing, no kit of parts, nothing to go on, just the game you see in front of you, and they have built some amazing robots to show you here today. Each team builds 2 robots, 1 flying, 1 ground robot. We have 2 flying robots in this match. You know how it goes in robot competition. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, sometimes they crash and make large explosions and throw parts everywhere. We've had a little bit of that back and forth all day today. The teams are in the pits furiously working to get their robots going. We hope they're running. Right now in this match we're going to have 2 air robots, but I think, yeah, we're getting closed up. So the game we play, we like to call this All Your Base. It's all about capturing bases. What you see in front of you are 9 bases, each one illuminated green until someone captures it. The air robots will take off from their platform, fly across the field, land on a base. If they can land stably, the ref will say it's a go. They'll change the color of the base. The air vehicle will take off and go back to its player station to reload. We don't want them just hopping all around the field. They have to actually work for their points, go back to the player station, reload, come back onto the field, score again. Every time they score, that's 5 points for scoring an air vehicle landing on top of the platform. The ground vehicles, we don't have any in this match. Hopefully you'll see some in a couple of matches coming up. They'll pick up those tennis balls, those we call projectiles. Those tennis balls get sucked into the robots and shot into the side of the goals. You probably can't see them, but on each side of these goals, there's a 12-inch hole. 12-inch hole on each side. They are very difficult to see, especially from the driver stations at the end. A lot of teams have cameras and other vision type systems and sensors on the robot to be able to shoot into those goals and also to land on top of those bases. I'll keep you informed about teams with cameras and all that sort of thing as best as I can. So, air vehicle, 5 points. Ground vehicle, 2 points. If they get 3 in a row, air or ground, 3 in a row, that's 15 bonus points. So 3 air bases and the row, that's 30 total points. 3 ground and the row, that's 21 points. We'll see if these teams can get some linear sequences for you in this match. We're just closing up the field right now, and I think we're going to be ready to go. Let me just check with the head rep, and I will be right back with you. All right, it sounds like we're going to be good to go with this match. Let's meet our teams. Down in the red lines, we have team number 4.
From the University of Wisconsin-Platteville, it's the F.I.R.S.T.
And of course by red, I meant blue over there. Now we'll meet the Red Alliance, down at the other end of the field. Substituting in is team number 2.
From Oakland University, it's the OUFOs.
All right, Blue Alliance, we get a thumbs up from you guys at the driver station. Red Alliance, we get a thumbs up from you guys. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, go!
2 minutes late, operating period underway. OUFOs taking right off that base, making sure they don't fall. Team 4 does fall. Gets stuck between a base and the net. See if they can get free later on in the match. OUFOs very close to landing on their first base. Team 4 gets free, so they might have a chance to score still. OUFOs landing on their base. That will count for the Red Alliance. That is 5 points. 83 seconds remaining in the match. OUFOs landing back on their home base, reloading their virtual payload, and moving back out to score again. Defy Gravity having a little bit of trouble trying to get their robot off the ground. Kind of a hovercraft right now. OUFOs very close to landing on their second platform with their second base. 59 seconds remaining in this match. Red Alliance up 5 points to 0 at the moment. Defy Gravity trying very hard and very diligently trying to get off that ground. UFOs does land on their second base. They're moving back to their home to score again, to pick up their virtual payload. 35 seconds remaining. 10-0 at the moment. Red Alliance in favor. Defy Gravity trying everything they can to defy gravity. Red Alliance lands on their third platform. That makes 3 in a row. That's worth 15 bonus points. That puts them at 30 total points. Whoa, Defy Gravity desperately just trying to get off that ground. Rammed into everything as they do it. End of match. That is 0. And landing safely. Oakland University not crashing this time. That's not customary. First match, I think they haven't crashed it. Very, very durable robot.
What do you think of that?